Hi guys, today is yet another unboxing day. Today we are going to unbox a mid-sized clock. It is a Recon quartz clock as usual. The clocks are made from India and they come complete with a battery. They come in these beautiful Recon branded boxes. We have two types of this clock, that is model 3151. We have this that they call white, which is actually silver in color. Let us unbox this and see. This is the clock. It is a 32 centimeter diameter clock. That is the color of the face. It is white with silver framed plastic frame. The back side looks like this. It has a Recon branded battery. See how it operates. It's a tick-tock clock. The second clock is ivory. This is a golden colored clock. This is how it looks. And the appearance of the two, the silver and the gold, look like this. Very beautiful pieces. Tomorrow we unbox yet another clock. So stay subscribed. Subscribe if you have not, so that you get to see the beautiful pieces. In case you need any, either in retail or wholesale, we do sell. So kindly comment and we will get back to you. Thank you.